So today in this training, I will explain you how to find tables behind any T code. So first we will run this T code ST05, ST05. Then we will activate trace, activate it. So in the command bar, you can run this T code ST05. Then activate trace. You can activate your trace. Then after activating trace, you can run any standard T code. Suppose VA03. VA03 display sales document. So here you can pass order, enter. So you can pass order, then deactivate trace. So after passing order, you can deactivate trace, then display trace. So deactivate trace, display trace, then execute. Execute. It will show you trace record. Click on find button and pass same document number. So in this screen, you can click on this find icon. Then you can pass same document number. Enter. It will show you table name. VBAC header table, main header table. So it will show you different tables name. Control F. You can pass the document number. Enter. So it will show you main table. So base table is VBAC. VBAC is the main table for VA03 T code. So you can find out any table behind any T code. Suppose VF03 invoice T code. So you will get all tables name, VBAC sales document header table, base table of VA03 T code. Then find tables for T code VF03 invoice. So again, you can run your T code ST05, ST05. Then activate trace. Now you can run standard T code. Suppose VF03 display billing documents. After activating trace, you can run your T code, standard T code VF03. Now you can pass document number. Enter. After passing document number, deactivate trace. You can deactivate trace. Deactivate trace, then display trace. Then execute. So deactivate trace, display trace, then execute. It will show you trace record. Then click on find button, Control plus F, or pass same document number. So now click on this find icon. Here you can pass same document number. Enter. You can pass same document number. So VBRK, this VBRK is the base table of VF03T code. VBRK billing header table. So you will get all tables name, VBRK, billing, document, header, data table, base table of VF03 T code. So you can find table name behind any T code. Thank you. If you have any question, you can contact me on my email ID sapall.expert@gmail.com, Instagram ID sap.beginner. Thank you.